Rumor has it that DJI is gearing up to release a brand new drone, the DJI Air 4, and let me tell you, the hype is real. It all started when Igor Bogdanov dropped a bombshell tweet about the DJI Air 4 a couple of days ago. And just like that, the drone community went into a frenzy of speculation and excitement. So, what's the scoop on the DJI Air 4, you ask? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the juicy details. From what we've heard so far, this bad boy is set to revolutionize the drone game with its cutting-edge features and mind-blowing technology. We're talking longer flight times thanks to beefier batteries, a bigger 1-inch sensor for top-notch image quality. Plus, get this, a mechanical shutter. Opening up new realms in aerial mapping, videography, and photography. This feature could make your shots more precise and detailed. And for those tricky lighting conditions, a variable aperture would give you the flexibility to adapt and capture the perfect image every time. And the upgraded obstacle avoidance for safer flying adventures. Surprisingly, there haven't been any whispers about improved video transmission capabilities for the DJI Air 4. Oh, and did you see Bogdanov's tweet? He dropped a pic of 4 drone batteries, giving us a little teaser of the Air 4's power potential. And get this, even insiders are backing up these rumors, so you know it's gotta be legit. In the middle of all this hype, Bogdanov also shared a screenshot of a DJI Air 3 promotion in China. These promotions often signal the clearing out of old inventory, paving the way for new product launches. The significant discounts, with the standard control single unit, priced around $782.32, down from $978.32, and the Fly More combo at $950.32, down from $1,188.32, are making way for what's to come. So, what do you think? Are you as hyped as I am about the DJI Air 4? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more drone updates. Catch you in the next one.